Welcome to another airfield print. Today we're going to do one from LA. Can you guess from that printout? So we print it out, we line up the metal plate and then we put the heat to stop any movement. Once that's done, we move it to the heat press, and then we put the heat press down. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know this is where I say this is where the magic happens. This is where the ink becomes a gas which permeates into the special sublimated coating. Alright, once we've put it in for the designated time and temperature, we'll remove it from the heat press, set it down to cool, and once it has, we'll take the heat tape off and then we'll reveal the print. 1, 2, 3. A beautiful print of Van Nuys. Please let me know if I've pronounced that correctly. What do you think? Please give it a thumbs up if you like, and please do like, subscribe and share. Comment what airfield you'd like to see next.